Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelly here with another Family Law Friday. This week I have another video on my do's and don'ts of divorce series. So this week I wanted to start off with an easy do. Divorce can be very overwhelming. It is highly emotional, but it also impacts every other area of your life. Your housing, your finances. Again, highly emotional. If you have children, your time with your children, right? I mean, all of these things swirling together can make you just, frankly, an anxious and depressed mess. And often when clients come to us and they're at the very beginning stages of accepting that a divorce is happening, they have absolutely no idea where to start. So I am going to give you my do of the number one way that you can, first of all, act, so that you're doing something that will help you as your divorce moves forward in the future. And number two is likely to save you a lot of time, money, effort, and energy with an attorney or even without an attorney as you're negotiating with your soon-to-be ex-spouse. So that is what you should do, is make a list of all of the personal property in your house and start to write down what you care about keeping, what you don't care about keeping, what you expect your spouse will keep versus what you expect you will keep. And if you want to go the extra mile and try to figure out how much it might be worth to A, buy at a garage sale, or B, replace if it's something that you absolutely must have to live in a new home, such as a couch or a bed, then do that. And the reason I say to start there is because that's a huge task, right? For most people who live in a average size house, even if you have a 2-bedroom apartment, there are going to be lots of items in that house, furniture, kitchenware, things along those lines. And it's really important that figuring out how to divide that doesn't come last in the divorce case, because it is often the piece that people hold on to the most, and it becomes the hardest thing to resolve. And most attorneys, we just aren't that interested in doing it, because ultimately we know it's not really worth you to pay us our billable hour so that we can, help you fight over your $100 dish set, right? It makes much more sense for you and your spouse to try to have those conversations earlier and often and start to figure out what's fair about how you divide those things on your own. And the place to start is knowing what you have. I hope this has been helpful. If you are considering divorce and need an attorney to talk to in Michigan, please give our office a call. We're here to help.